Behold, 3 screws. 24 Hyundai trap door. Even has a little notch for you. You'll see it. Screw right there. Screw right there. Put this guy back. Locks into place. Pull this guy off. You see? Off. Tiny little screwdriver. And now we move on to getting the other screws out. So, screw, and pull outward towards you. And careful over here in the corner. Careful, you don't want to split this thing. See how it starts bending? Right? That's because I already took it out, but mostly clips. Clip. OBD, push in, pull out. And then 9 months later, you have an OBD child. So there you have it. Let's put the OBD child back in. And I'm going to say, you're the one who took it apart. You put it back together because it can't be any easier than putting 3 screws back and pushing. There you go. Push. Like it. Don't like it. Smash it. Don't smash it. Thanks for watching.